Hi there. I think today we've got a little number puzzle in our hands. Our numbers have gone on a little adventure and got all mixed up. But don't worry, with your help, we're going to get our numbers back together again. Are you ready for some fun? Here comes our friend, pink circle. One pink circle. Pink pig. O-N-E. One. Pig. Here's some more. Two magenta circle. One, two. T-W-O. Two. Number two. Two birds. Purple circle. Can you count the elephants with me? 1, 2, 3. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Yes! Let's count again. 1, 2, 3. 3. Wow! Indigo circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Oh no. F-O-U-R. 4. 4 dinosaur. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, where's the eggs here? Oh no, we have to put it back in the fridge. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blue circle. Number 5. 5 cows. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Oh, yummy, yummy ice cream. Let's give them ice cream. 1, 2, 3. Ah, yummy. 4, 5, 6. Yum! S-I-X. 6. 6 aqua. 6 crocodiles. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yatta!
Help me count the music notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. S E V E N 7. 7 green. 7 green grasshopper. Ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yummy fruit and vegetable. Yum, yum, yum. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Come on, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yellow, 8. Eight suns. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nearly there. 5, 6, 7, 8. Orange green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. N-I-N-E 9. Yes! Orange 9. 9 carrots. Woo! Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow. Hi. T-E-N 10. Red 10. Tomatoes. Last count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Great job, everyone! And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Thanks for watching our video, and please subscribe. Next time you might watch a good one. Bye-bye.